Revolutionize your journey with the SZ-KIANDA Wireless CarPlay Android 13 touchscreen car display PC tailored specifically for Audi A6 C7 and A7 models from 2012 to 2018. Available on Aliexpress, this cutting-edge multimedia system seamlessly integrates advanced features with sleek design, providing drivers with unparalleled convenience, connectivity, and entertainment on the road. Let's delve into the remarkable features that make the SZ-KIANDA a game-changer for in-car technology. Prepare to be captivated by the SZ-KIANDA's expansive 10.25-inch 1920x720 HD capacitive touchscreen display. With its crystal-clear resolution and responsive touch interface, this display brings your car's dashboard to life, providing an immersive visual experience that enhances navigation, entertainment, and overall functionality. Underneath the sleek exterior lies a robust MTK4 Core 2.0 GHz CPU, delivering lightning-fast performance and seamless multitasking capabilities. Whether navigating through GPS maps, streaming media, or running apps, the SZ-KIANDA ensures smooth operation and responsive performance even during intensive tasks. Experience ultimate convenience with built-in wireless capabilities, including support for wireless CarPlay, Wi-Fi, and 4G LTE connectivity. With wireless CarPlay integration, drivers can effortlessly mirror their iPhone's interface onto the car's display, enabling hands-free access to calls, messages, music, and more. Additionally, built-in Wi-Fi and 4G LTE support ensure reliable internet connectivity on the go, allowing passengers to browse the web, stream media, and access online services with ease. The SZ-KIANDA offers versatile storage options to accommodate your media library and navigation needs. With support for media cards, GPS cards, and USB sticks up to 32 GB, drivers can easily access their favorite music, videos, and navigation maps directly from the multimedia system. Whether storing offline maps or multimedia files, the SZ-KIANDA ensures ample storage space for all your needs. Designed to seamlessly integrate into your Audi A6 C7 or A7's dashboard, the SZ-KIANDA boasts a sleek and modern design that complements the car's interior aesthetic. The SZ-KIANDA Wireless CarPlay Android 13 touchscreen car display PC redefines the driving experience with its advanced features, powerful performance, and seamless connectivity options. Whether navigating through city streets, enjoying your favorite music, or staying connected on the go, this multimedia system delivers unparalleled convenience and entertainment for Audi A6 C7 and A7 owners. Upgrade your car's technology today and embark on a journey of innovation and convenience with the SZ-KIANDA.